Hey guys, today I will show you how to multiply a matrix by a number or a constant, or a fancy word for this is a scalar, which is commonly used in physics and also in maths. Anyway, in order to multiply a matrix by a number, all you do is just multiply each element in matrix by that number. And keep in mind that your resulting matrix has the same size as a given matrix. So let's take a look at a few. Say you need to multiply 2 by this matrix. So your matrix has size 2 by 2, since it's a square matrix. It contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So your resulting matrix has the same size, so it's 2 by 2. You don't have to write it explicitly, so all you do is just take this number, this scalar if you will, 2, and multiply it by each element in your matrix. So you multiply it like this. Now it becomes just 2 times 1, 2 times -3, and make sure you place it in the corresponding spots, in the corresponding positions in the matrix which results. So 2 times -3, and the second row becomes 2 times 0, and that element 2 times 5. And finally, all you do is just clean it up. You just do this multiplication, and your final resulting matrix becomes 2 minus 6, 0, 2 times 0 gives you 0, and 10. That's your resulting matrix for the first one. Alright, say you need to find the result of multiplying a half by this matrix. So your resulting matrix becomes, so it has the same size as the original one. So it has 2 rows and 3 columns. So all you need to do is just take this a half and multiply it by each element in your matrix. So basically all you do is just half all of your elements. So 6 divided by 2. So keep in mind that multiplying by 1 over 2 by a half means you need to divide, basically. It's the same thing, that you divide all of your elements by these 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. -10 divided by 2 gives you -5. So you keep this negative sign. It remains 0. You multiply or divide by any number, so it remains 0. -1 times a half gives you -1/2. And finally 4 divided by 2, so gives you just 2. So that's your resulting matrix for the second one. And finally, let's have a look at the last one. So you need to find the result of multiplying -5 by a column matrix. So sometimes it's called a column matrix, or just a column or a vector, since it has just 1 column, and in this case it has 3 rows. Anyway, so all you do is just multiply this -5, and this negative also has to be taken into consideration. So -5 times -1 gives you 5. -5 times 7 gives you -35. And finally, if you multiply anything by 0, that would leave you with 0. And I drop my green one. Let me pick it up. Alright, and that's your answer for the last one. Alright, with this being said, I hope it has been helpful to you. Thanks Huge thanks for watching and train your brain. And by the way, if you need extra help with multiplying two matrices, with adding two matrices, subtracting matrices, also how to find the inverse or how to find the determinant of matrices, so feel free to check out my playlist on matrices, and the links will be down below in the description box, and definitely check them out. I know everyone hates maths, but if you like my video, please hit this like, share with your friends, leave the comments down below, and be sure to smash that subscribe button so you'll not miss out, if you haven't, so you'll not miss out my new